Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Monday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast, which today is brought to you by Yokohama Tires. Designed to drive smoother, perform better, keep you safer, and take you farther. It's not just any tire, it's Yokohama. Check it out. Of course, with the wintry weather expected in some spots around the nation, you might be finding yourself with a new tire would suit you well. And with Christmas right around the corner, not a bad Christmas gift either. It is pretty mild, though, for December right now. Rain and thunder a possibility down in the lower Mississippi Valley in the southeast. And some of the storms could be a little bit on the strong side, but it will be turning much colder by the end of the month. Speaking of cold, it's certainly not so cold in the far northern reaches of the nation. This is in St. Cloud, Minnesota, which is in the central part of Minnesota, and it has been warm enough for rain and snow to be mixing in. It does appear, though, that as this main impulse of energy lifts off to the north, we are going to be watching the rain shift into the Great Lakes region. At some point, we may see that switch over to some very light slushy snow accumulations, but then another impulse of energy slides across the southern reaches of the nation, and within that corridor from the lower Mississippi Valley through the Gulf Coast states, even into the Tennessee Valley and also the Mid-Atlantic region, that area could be conducive for some thunderstorm activity around midweek. And some of the storms could actually be a little bit stronger Tuesday, certainly down to the far south. But look at how wet it looks here on Christmas Day itself in the northeast, and then we start to tug down some colder air. Precipitation over the next 3 days certainly looking much heavier down to the south. Could be seeing as much as 3 to 5 inches of total liquid, but here comes the colder air. Slowly but surely it starts to sag south. Today in New Orleans, some thunder potential, and 66 only in Phoenix.